In this video, I'll show you from where to download Nintendo Switch games. If you find this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Downloading Nintendo Switch games allows for quicker access and eliminates the need for physical storage. It also provides the convenience of playing anytime without switching cartridges. To begin, open the Nintendo Switch homepage by pressing the Home button on your controller. From the home screen, navigate to the menu panel and select the Nintendo eShop icon. Once you're in the eShop, you'll need to choose which profile you want to log in with. After making your selection, the eShop will load, presenting you with various options to browse. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu panel. From here, you can click on Recent Releases to view the newest games available for purchase. If you don't find anything that catches your eye, don't worry. You can search for a specific game by name or set a price range. To search by price range, for example, simply select the price filter, and the eShop will display games arranged according to their price. The eShop also offers additional filters that you can apply to narrow down your search even further. You can filter games by category, such as first-person shooters, multiplayer games, music games, or platformers. If you want to focus on games suitable for certain age groups, you can filter by age rating as well. Options like games for children or those for adults aged 17 and up are also available. These filters allow you to personalize your search and find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've set your filters, click the Search button. This will display a list of games that match your criteria. From the results, you can select any game you want to purchase. After you've made your selection, follow the prompts to complete the purchase and download the game to your console. Once the download is complete, you can exit the eShop and your new game will be ready to play. This is how you can easily browse, search, and purchase games from the Nintendo eShop, making it simple to enhance your gaming experience on the Nintendo Switch. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.